In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a customer list in WooCommerce. This is a really useful skill if you want to back up your data, analyze customer information in a spreadsheet, or use it for reporting and marketing. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to download your full customer list as a CSV file right from your WordPress dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin area. This is the back end of your website, where you manage everything from posts and pages to your online store settings. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical menu is where all your main admin options live. Find the WooCommerce option in that left panel. It usually sits near other store-related items like products and maybe marketing or analytics, depending on your setup. Hover your mouse over the WooCommerce item, but don't click yet. When you hover, a submenu will slide out to the right with several options. From that submenu, look for the option labeled Customers and click on it. This will open the WooCommerce Customers page. Here you'll see a list of all the customers who have placed orders in your store. You can usually see details like names, email addresses, the number of orders, and total spent, depending on how your store is configured. Now, to export this list, move your attention to the top right corner of the customer list section. You should see a small download icon there. It typically looks like an arrow pointing downward or a standard download symbol. This icon is the built-in export feature for WooCommerce customers. Go ahead and click that download icon. As soon as you do, WooCommerce will generate a CSV file of your customer list. A CSV file is a simple spreadsheet format that you can open with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet software. Your browser will either start downloading the file automatically or prompt you to choose a location to save it, depending on your browser settings. Once the file has finished downloading, you can open it to view, filter, and sort your customer data as needed, or safely store it as a backup. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your customer list from WooCommerce into a CSV file using the built-in tools in your WordPress dashboard.